Hi, this is Fabrizio with Bretford. I'm here to give you a quick demo of Bretford's TechGuard Connect locker. Now this is the demo model. Typically it is freestanding, about 5.5 feet tall with 10 bays. This locker is used to store, charge, and even manage access to mobile devices. There are 3 different modes that it can be used in. One is called shared mode. Shared mode is where the bays are empty. People can walk up to the locker, create a 4-digit PIN code, or use their RFID card to get access to an empty bay where they leave their device to charge. So that's very popular in areas where you want to offer a secure charging environment, either in lobbies or conference rooms or cafeterias or gyms, anywhere where someone might want to charge their device for a while they do something else. The second mode that this can be set up in is called assigned mode, where you're assigning a specific bay to a specific user. Now this is great for environments where everyone has their own device, so they're one-to-one, but at the end of the day, the company does not want the end users taking that device home with them. They want to make sure that device comes back, it's getting charged, it's doing any provisioning that needs to be done while the device is here safe in this locker. Now the third mode is called check-in, check-out mode, and this is the most popular that I'm seeing in the enterprise space in industries like healthcare, retail, and manufacturing. A lot of times in these industries there are shared devices or shift workers who come in, take a device, use it for 8 hours, and then they leave that device at their place of employment. Now this locker can now automate that device loaning process so that end users can walk up, tap their badge, select an available bay, and get access to that device. Within the bay there are outlets where you can charge the device, and later that day when you come back to return the device, the employee simply taps their badge on the reader. That same bay will open up and they can return the device. Now all of this is managed on Bretford Connect, which is the cloud portal that manages the lockers, the users, and the assets. You can generate reporting, see who's using what device, make sure it's being returned in a responsible fashion. The benefits that some of our customers are seeing from this is improved productivity. So employees come in and they know where to get a device, they know it's charged, they know it's working. Also reduced amount of lost or damaged devices. So some of my customers, before implementing Bretford Connect, had devices that would just go missing or come back broken, and no one would take responsibility for that. With this system, you can actually hold your end users accountable for treating that device right, making sure it's coming back, and making sure it's ready for the next user. One thing I'd like to mention is that this all is run on a cloud portal, single pane of glass. You can access it, any admin can access it from any computer as long as they have the right credentials. And that's where you can actually create users, create assets, change the mode of the locker, get reporting, all that good stuff. We're able to do virtual demos of that portal, so if you have any customers that might be interested in seeing that, please reach out to your Bretford resource and we can get that going. The field reps are also armed with these portable demo lockers, so on-site meetings to show the locker how it works, also an option. Feel free to reach out if you have any customers that might benefit from this solution or if you'd like to learn more. Thank you.